Dool kayo mi in age. But you know, when bata pa mi, dili jud mi ganahan each other.
So in today's video, we are going to be doing random facts about us. First we'll do me, 5 facts about me, and then 5 facts about Elena,
And then,
5 facts about each other. And if you really like this video and you want to ask us questions, please
yeah.
comment
Comment.
questions and we'll make a video of compilation of questions, okay?
Question and answer. We've
Question
never
and
done one
answer.
of those before,
Oh,
so make
unsa
sure mag-comment mo.
Unsa tawag ana kanang Q&A?
Yeah, that's
Q&A.
question and answer.
Okay. Fun fact about me, ganan ko og farm someday. Ganan ko
Ganan siya
mag-own og farm. Ganan ko mga horse, mga goats. Okay, fun fact about you, mag-back and forth na lang ta.
Be, what's a fun fact about me? So, when bata pa ko, every night magpack ko og emergency bag. Kaya abi na ko one day, among house mag-catch on fire. And so, magpack ko og snacks or like kanang panty, clothes, para na ako extra bag in case
And
of a
little did she know, our house did burn down. Okay,
Yes,
so,
but now when we were there, so.
No.
Yeah.
I love the snow.
Yeah.
I love the snow, grabe. Di jud ko ganan sa cold, but ganan ko sa snow. Okay, your turn.
Di ko ganahan mag-clean sa CR. Pinaka-worst jud ako. Di jud ko ganahan
I don't
mag-clean
like
sa
the
CR.
dishes.
Yaks.
I
Yeah.
don't like the dishes. When I sleep, mudam ko in Cebuano.
Me too!
In Bisaya. Pag
Yes!
sleep na ko, kana ako mga dreams, di jud English. Bisaya.
Maghuna-huna ko kay Bisaya.
Ano saan?
Kinanglan ko mag-translate into English, so sometimes di jud ma-translate akong English kay
Kabalo
atong
mo,
bati.
like, guys, wala jud English word for mingaw. Wala jud.
It's a miss, I think. I
No,
miss you,
no.
Mingaw.
Mingaw, like, kanang, grabe ka mingaw karon. Like, in the,
Oh.
you cannot English, ang mingaw. It's so non-populated here. I don't know what your English anang mingaw. Like, no? Daghan
Yeah.
mga words like that. What your English? Mag-think ko ba like, sa English ani?
Okay, so, next fun fact, I hate salad.
Say what?
As in, sagbot na, guys. Food na sa rabbit. Not for
Not
human.
sa rabbit.
Not for human consumption.
Also, about fun fact about me, I love balut. Grabe, I love balut. Kanang 18 days akong favorite.
Ew.
I love balut.
No. Nag-try kong balut sa una. As in, murag suka. Unjud ko.
Gahan po ko buwan.
Ako sad. Buwad is good.
Well,
But not
that's more than 5 facts right now.
Is that 5 facts
I don't
already?
know. I don't know. Okay.
I don't know. I think that's good. How about together?
Together, so fun facts about us. We are only a year and a half apart. So,
Yeah. Dool kayo mi in age. But you know, when bata pa mi, dili jud mi ganahan each other.
no, ganan me each other, but they me close.
I didn't like you. I joke.
Karon, we love each other.
Yeah.
Aww.
Best friend na mi karon, but when bata kami,
Best friend ito.
we are best friend.
Wow, okay. Second fun fact. People say that is America, murag twins me. Di me ka gets.
Yeah! If mag-wear mi og glasses, asa mong glasses, dai? Hindi. Mag-wear mi glasses,
And then
mag-ingon sila twins daw mi.
Mag-straight akong hair. Twins ba me?
I don't think so.
Mas fat akong face. Ikaw narrow.
No, tambukon na akong face after ko nag-anak.
Yan. Kinanglan may glasses do ba di mi mag-wear kay awa mag-glare.
Yeah.
See, so di mi mag-wear. That's
Yeah.
why when we video di mi kakita.
We're blind.
Okay, second fact about us when
Hey, that's a good fun fact. We both wear glasses, but di kami mag-wear og glasses in among mga video.
we both wear glasses and when we got married, we married
Yeah.
brothers and
It was our first kiss for both of us.
when we got married, wala jud mi nag-kiss before we got married.
Yeah, among first kiss is among mga bana. So it's kind of
Yeah,
cool.
isn't that cool? Okay, isn't that cool? I was so English. Okay. Among mga personality, grabe
Lahi
ka
gyud.
opposite.
Yes.
She's very strong and hard-headed and...
Hoy! No, ikaw ang hard-headed one, Toria. Yeah, I'm just strong. Akong personality
You're
is strong.
stubborn.
Yeah.
Very competitive. I mean, competitive food ko, pero dili as in like...
Crazy sense
And then
siya.
ako
Hilumon ko.
Ako crazy, if you couldn't tell. I'm
And
the
ganahan siya
I'm the
mag-istorya.
funny one. Joke lang. I like to talk. Oh,
Yeah.
laway ko. I like to talk and joke and make people happy and
Siya mag-make sa friends and then ako mukawat ko siyang friends.
yes. When bata me, that's what had happened. And that's why we didn't like each
Kay
other.
friendly
Joke
man
lang.
jud
So,
siya.
mag-make jud ko og mga friends and then, yung ikawat. And then I will just make more friends.
Yeah, kay I'm just kanang shy ba. Di ko ganahan
And
mag-istorya to
If
people.
dili mo mag-shock, like, I think mag-shock mo ani, but malisa jud mi mag-English.
Yes. Grabe jud. It's
We will talk English to each other like this, but usahay ka nang grabe kay mag-think sa English, especially kung kapoy ka. Ganan jud kung mag-istorya Bisaya, pero ang mga Amerikano, di man sila kasabot.
lagi mas easy kun Victoria kay if mag-istorya mig English na di ko kay balo sa English, Bisaya na lang. Mas sa yun gani. Pero
Bitaw.
sa Amerikano, mag-iwan sa, ha? Are you speaking Chinese?
Usahay, maghapak ko ni... Joke lang. So, usahay, at the end of a sentence ba, mag-ing ko ba, or mag-ing ko mga, like, kanang different Bisaya words, ang mga Amerikano, magtanaw na ko ba? So, sana ba? Like, sana ba? Like, you know, do you understand ba? And they'll be like, what's ba? So, kanang usay magbuhat ko ana and then listed kong kapoy ka mag-unhaw na jud English ba? Listed ka ayo.
Lagi. But that's just the wrap of among fun facts. If you
Sorry,
want to
short
hear more,
video.
yeah. If you want to hear more, leave in the comments. If you have questions, leave in the comments.
Ganahan jud mi maghimong Q&A ba? So please, comment questions we want to answer.
Lagi. Sige.
Okay,
Salamat
thank
sa
you, bye! Pogi!